Right, so moving on, this is another straightforward question. So I explained the previous one, so you can do this one very quickly. So decomposition of 1 mole of this methanol liquid occurs at high temperatures. So they have given this one. Which of the following is incorrect for the above reaction? The heat, so you see here delta H enthalpy is positive, which means it absorbs the heat energy when this reaction happens. Okay. The heat absorbed when 1 mole of this gas molecule, here they have given liquid gas, is decomposed is less than 128. What do you think? Correct or wrong? So here this is liquid methanol. So liquid methanol when converted to carbon monoxide and 2H2, okay, it gives 128. Not gives, actually, it absorbs 128. Now think about gas. Okay, gas. Methanol breaking down to CO gas and 2H2. So here for liquid methanol to get converted to this CO gas and 2H2O, you can write down like an forbidden process that methanol gas is formed first and then it is converted to CO gas and 2H2O gas. However, the first statement says directly methanol gas gives you this CO plus 2H2 gas. Okay. So get the idea. Here, from liquid to gas, it needs some energy. We need to give some energy. For an example, if I divide this 128, let's say you need to give like 28 for this one. Give mean absorb here and 100 for this one. Okay, this is for an example. Liquid to gas 28. You need 28 to give the system because this is an endothermic process, right? Liquid to gas, you need to supply energy. And from here to here, let's say there is plus 100 for an example, because we don't know. But here, you're going only from this step to this. So it will be only plus 100. Right? So this statement says the heat absorbed when 1 mole of gas is decomposed is less than 128. Yes, because it is around 100 now. Because you don't need this additional 28 that you make this liquid to gas. Here it is automatically gas. Okay, so that is the explanation here for this one. So this statement is correct. Enthalpy of CO plus 2H2O is higher than the enthalpy of CH3OH liquid. It should be, right? Because we normally calculate enthalpy of the product minus enthalpy of the reactant according to the typical law. So the enthalpy of the product should be a higher positive value than the enthalpy of the reactants. Otherwise, you won't get a positive answer. So this is also correct. 128 kilojoule of heat is released when 1 mole of CO gas is formed. So you see here 1 mole of CO is formed from 1 mole of methanol. So the amount of energy given is okay. But the problem is here heat is not released, heat is absorbed because enthalpy is positive. So this statement 3 is wrong. Okay. Fourth one, 128 kilojoules of heat is absorbed during the decomposition of a mole of a reactor. So this is straightforward and correct. 120 kg of heat is absorbed when 32 grams of products are formed. So it is typical that you can calculate. So here 1 mole, here 2 mole. So 1 mole carbon oxygen is 28. So 1 into 28 is 28 grams plus 4 grams, 32 grams. So this is also correct. So the answer 3 is wrong here. Okay, so try to understand this.